Okay, guys, so this is exactly how the homepage of your Bybit account is going to look like. Now, at the top here, you see exchange and you see Web3. So ensure it's on exchange, okay? And down here, it's on home, market, trade, and assets. All right. Now we'll tap on asset. Okay. Now asset. Now ensure your money or the funding is on unified trading. Okay. So this very word now could be different from crypto exchange to crypto exchange. Basically, Bybit uses unified trading accounts as their own source where you have your fund for trading. Now, as you can see now here, I have some few coins I'm holding on here. Now you can see USDT. My money, my funds are in USDT, and it's right here. So I have how much here? Oh, everywhere is actually red today. And Bitcoin is actually standing on 103,000. Now 100,217. Right. So let me just put it aside. Let's carry on. Now you see here. Let's go back. Okay. So what we'll do is, let me return back now. So if you have seen, your money has to be on unified trading and it has to be on USDT. So let me go back now. Then you come back to this very place, the one at the middle, trade. Now once you're on trade now, let me explain. Right. Ensure if you want to trade future, fine. If you want to trade spot is basically like you buying, kind of you holding it for a couple of probably up to like a day or 2 days. Sometimes you can even buy and hold it for months or years if you want, just like you have an investment. Now you come over to features. Now features is actually where you do the trading. Now within this feature, now you have long and short. Whichever way you want to trade, you make money. All right. Let me start from here. Now we're looking at XRP. Okay. So you choose XRP when you want to trade. Ensure you choose. Let me tap and just show you guys. You can see all these coins you're seeing here. They are all on USDT. And that's actually what we'll be trading with. Now if I tap on for instance, let's go back to SRP again. You choose any coin you want to trade with. Now you will see here 50x. Okay, 50x. Now this is the pips. Like for instance, now the more it goes higher, let me start from the basics. I'm actually going into this very trading now with $18. Okay. Now if I leave it on this 10x here, it will be, the system is going to multiply my money times 10. So it will be 180. I'm actually trading on this system now with $180. If I increase it down to probably 40 now, 40. If I leave the X on 40, now you multiply 18 times 40. That is exactly how much. You can see it's called leverage. And you can see, I think they are notifying here, high leverage increases liquidation risk. Please adjust your leverage. So you can see it's actually increased 40 times 18. So whatever amount it gives you is exactly how much the system gives you that you trade with. But then, what this helps you to do is that if you go into the market with 180, I'm leaving it for this tutorial. I'm leaving it on 10x. Now let's return back. Now if I'm going to the market, let me just turn it back. 10x, save. Okay, so it's on 10x now. Now if I'm going to the market, I see my available USDT. You can see it's $18.3. Now if I'm going to the market with this amount, the system already multiply one, like I said initially, 10 times 18. That is 180. Okay. Then the one at the bottom is market. For instance, now you can see how the market is actually fluctuating. I mean the price at this right hand side. You can see. So if I want to buy immediately, if I want to go into the market with this price now, I'll just leave it on this market. I mean, if I want to purchase this coin now and start trading, I will leave it on this market. But I'm seeing that, look, this price now, I want it to come down a bit. Okay, I want, if the thing gets to 2.50, then I can go into the market. So what you have to do is you place on limit. Tap on limit. You can see limit now. Okay, so that you can say order price. You now tap on order price, then put in the figure you want, like 2.50. So the system has recorded this. So once the price of XRP drops to 2.50, the system will buy it for you. Okay, to buy and you start trading. Okay, now let's assume I want to go with this now, so I'll show you guys how it looks like. You can see, you see what I told you guys initially, the pips or the X, the leverage rather as it's being called, is actually, it depends on the number that you put there, then multiply that times the number or the amount of money you are going to market with. So I actually came into market with 80. Now multiply by 10x, as you can see it's 180. Now the beauty of this is that you buy more more of the token you want to trade. And also, if I leave it at that price now, and I go in to set my, you can see here, you can see quantity, I'm buying 72. Okay, with that 18, normally 18 won't give me 72 of ripples. Rather, because they've given me this, I'm leaving my leverage on 10x, so it actually increased to 72. I don't know if you guys are following. Now you can see that it cost me, you can see, and the liquidation, you can see, but these are the important things that are very important. I need to touch on. Now we'll come down to where you have TP/LL. SL rather. Now this simply means where you ought to take profit and where you have put in your stop loss. So tap on it. So when you tap on it, you can see the other price, how much I'm actually buying. You know, I told the system that the coin is actually sold for 2.51. Okay, you can see here 2.5 for market. You can see market price. So I want the other price. I want this price. Once you get to 2.50, the system is going to buy, and the quantity is 72. Market price, how much is being sold presently is 2.51. Okay, and you can see estimated liquidation price. That's actually when it gets down to this 2.26, my money will be finished. Okay, now I'm placing this on long, but I'll come back to that later. So now you see here, take profit. Now you can decide to place, put in your own figure yourself, or you go with percentage. So let's assume we're going percentage. Now we'll go with 10%. So I want this token, once it rises up to 10%, 10% will give me 2.15. That is $2.15. So once you get to this price now, I want the system to sell for me. I want it to take my profit. Okay, and of course, this is 12%. Okay, this is 12%. Yeah, I think it should be 10%. That is this 10% rather. Now, you can decide to set your percentage. Apart from you putting your figure yourself, you can decide to, okay, when it gets up to 15%, okay, I want you to take profit. You can see it has slightly moved, a bit further than this 10% here. So it's on 50%. That's going to give you $2.69. Okay, that is for taking profit. Now, it's important that you put in this risk management, risk management tips. Ensure you don't forget this. Even as much as a trader, don't forget this. Now you can see stop loss, because sometimes the market might not go your own direction. It might probably go negative against you. Now ensure you put in your stop loss. Okay, so I will simply put this on 10% also. So I want the market that, look, once this market goes 10% low or negative against me, okay, just stop the trade. Okay, pull out from the market. So if it goes 10%, backward or negative, that means I'll be losing $1.79. If I tap on confirm now, let's see what's going to happen. Confirm. Now, as I hit on confirm, I will now come over here. You can see where the road bar, this green and red buttons. So I just tap on long. Once I tap on long, the system have recorded it. Normally, it should be on position. As you can see, order 1, position 0, assets. So normally, if this thing has kicked off already, okay, you'll find out that the thing is going to come on position. But simply because the price does not hit the amount I want to go into the market with. I want to go into the market with, or I want the trade to trigger once it's $2.50. But currently it's still $2.51. Pay attention. So it's going to remain like this. So if in the future, or probably a minute or even 5-10 minutes, depends. If this price comes down to $2.50, this is going to trade immediately. It will come to position. Okay, and you see the price is fluctuating. I'll be beginning or I'll be losing. That's just what it is. Okay, so that is for the positive side of it. Okay, now let me also tell you about this sell. You can see sell. Basically, let me cancel this. Now you see this sell here. Sell. Now this sell simply means that, as I said initially, if the market goes, if it rises, you still make money. Okay, depending on the settings you put in, and if the market goes down also, you still make money. For instance, now Bitcoin rose to 100. I think it's right on $100,000. Now you can as well trade Bitcoin. That Bitcoin is going to come down to $99. So if you want to trade that very well, you see, as soon as I cancel this, can you guys see now the price of this actually came down to 2.50. So if it's not I've cancelled it, you find out that the trade is going to just start immediately. So that's what it is. Let me show you guys how this thing runs. Let me go into the market. I'm going to just go and change the settings now. I'll go to limit. Don't forget, I told you guys, if you want to go into the market immediately, you leave it on market. Okay, but if there's a certain price amount that you want the trade to trigger, that means you put your limit and put in the price that you want or the amount you want. So let me go to the market and just show you guys how this thing looks like. So I'm going to the market now with $180 because of my 10x. So I'll just click on long. Long simply means that you are predicting, that the market is going to go in favor. So you can see what I showed you guys now is on position. You can see this I'm on live trade now. Okay, I'm on live trade now. So I'm actually on green. Green simply means I'm making money. So once I start to lose money, this is going to turn to red. Okay, so that's just the way it is. Okay, that's just the simple way it is. If what you have so far, you are in love with it and you find it valuable, I want you to smash that follow button and do share my videos. Drop your comments if you are lost or you have any question on all the sections I've touched on so far. Just drop your comments and drop your comments at the comment section. I will strive to ensure I answer them all. Thank you very much. And also, I do have a WhatsApp. This is for people just coming across my video for the first time. I have a WhatsApp where I teach people how to trade. Okay, sports, future, and rest of them. Okay, so let's see in my next video. Thank you very much. I'm blessed.